Good morning, y'all. I'm crossing off a bucket list item today because we're heading to Laguna Seca. Let's go, y'all. So as you guys saw in our Works reunion video, I signed up for PCA and this is my first event with them. What a good way to start, right? We're actually heading to Hollister because we have a driving group and we're gonna go drive up through some mountains, through a valley, and then we're gonna pop up at Laguna Seca. So this is gonna be fun. Alrighty, y'all, so we made it to Hollister, getting some gas really quick. We're gonna go meet up with the rest of the group here in just a second. Thank you, Jen, for the coffee. Cheers. We're late. Alrighty, y'all, our first fun run. Cheers. So we're split up into 4 different groups, by the way. So we have like, I think there's people that want to go really fast, there are people that want to go kind of fast, people that are okay with whatever, and then there's us in the back. So we're gonna be the nice, they called us the relaxed group, and I mean, we're gonna be with that right there, so that's really cool. I'm excited. And apparently it's gonna be a 3-hour drive total with 1 bathroom break, and I'm chugging this coffee, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, I think the groups are getting ready to head out. Alrighty, y'all, so here is our path for today. There is the first half of the route, and here's the second half. So we're gonna go from King City up to Laguna Seca. They're not kidding, it's really gonna be a 3-hour drive. I hope me and my bladder can make it. But okay, let's go. Okay, so this is the relaxed group. I was not expecting that in this relaxed group. Oopsies. Okay, I guess we just followed this road for 42 miles for the trailing car. Look at that. They're the cutest couple. Warms your heart. To the gas station because I gotta go to the bathroom. First leg done. BRB. Go, 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 go. Smile. Alright, one more. Alright, I'll send these to you guys when we get to Laguna Seca. Alright, let's go. Okay, let's go. Hello, hello. Hey, ¿cómo estás? Hey, ¿cómo estás? I met another person that recognized me on YouTube. That's cool. So, we just met him, and his GT3 looks so nice. Oh, that thing must be a blast to drive. But alright, we're taking the back roads. Let's go, y'all. right, guys, we made it to Laguna Seca. I'm so excited. It's just a huge Porsche day. Check it out. Boom. We're gonna enter the paddock here in a sec. Thank you. That was fun. We made it. Here we are.
So nervous the whole time.
Luckily, mine is a 96. I used to have a 95. This is a 96.
Oh, last one, huh? Alrighty, y'all. We are going on the track right now. Okay. Oh. So apparently we're limited to 40 miles an hour. We'll see how that goes, though. Because, I don't know. Do they really limit us to 40? Or is it recommended? I guess we got here kind of early. So let's go walk around and see what's here. This is a dream come true. I can't believe this is happening. I can drive on Laguna Seca. Okay, granted, 40 miles an hour, but I get to do it. Like, I've wanted to do this since I was a little kid. Because I like totals. I like cars. Oh, and also Gran Turismo. Shout out to Gran Turismo 2. I used to play this track on Gran Turismo 2 on, what was it? I think on PS1. And this is so surreal being able to actually drive this today. Let's go. I can't believe this is really happening. Oh, that smells great.
I wish I wore my watch. I want to know
what your heart rate was.
That was
mine.
Thrilling.
That was, right?
How do you feel?
That was a bucket list moment for me, and honestly, I'm so glad I got to do this. This was so cool. Oh, and we get to pull back in. Ooh. But yeah, that was so fun. That lived up to all my expectations. Case car.
Cool.
That's cool. Alrighty, y'all. We just made it back from Laguna Seca, and wow, what a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to go ahead and cross off a bucket list item for me. So again, huge shout out to PCA, especially Golden Gate region, for the opportunity. I'm so glad I joined when I did. With that said, y'all, awesome news. We are at 301 subscribers at the time of me recording this. Check that out right there. So with that, it is time to do a raffle. I'm gonna be raffling off Porsche hats and Porsche t-shirts here. So let's get started. I have the handy dandy wheel of names set up right here, by the way. And we have quite a few people who commented. So thank you if you dropped a like or comment in the last 3 videos to go ahead and enter this raffle here. We're gonna do this together. So here we are. Check that out. Winner, winner, who is it? Germs! All right, Germs DNA. I will be hitting you up for some merch. Who's number 2? JJ by the Bay. I'm gonna be hitting you up too. One more. B Nasty 0930, my fellow 996 owner. So glad you're gonna be getting some stuff here. But there we have it, folks. That is it. We hit a huge milestone. Thank you all so much for watching these videos, supporting, liking, commenting. You all keep me going and keep me excited to post every time I do. So, till next time, y'all. Peace.